महाभारत के कास्ट के रीयूनियन ने एक और महाभारत शुरू कर दी थी बिटवीन कास्ट मेंबर्स गजेंद्र चौहान एंड मुकेश खन्ना। लेकिन कपिल शर्मा, जिनका शो बन गया था कुरुक्षेत्र का मैदान, हैज नाउ रिस्पॉन्डेड टू द अगली स्पैट एंड सेड उनका एम सिर्फ लोगों को खुश करना है एंड दैट ही एंड हिज टीम आर वर्किंग इन एन स्पेशली डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन टू क्रिएट न्यू एपिसोड्स फॉर द ऑडियंसेस. Mukesh Khanna, who played the important role of Bhishma in the television series, reacted quite strongly जब उनके absence पर सवाल उठाए गए. मुकेश जी ने अपने comments में कहा कि उन्हें इस शो का ह्यूमर डबल मीनिंग से भरा हुआ और वल्गर लगता है. He also questioned why men cross-dressing on a show made people laugh so much. Amongst the many issues he raised with the show, which labeled the worst, Mukesh ji raised an issue he had with the questions that were posed to a similar reunion of the Ramayan team, especially to Arun Govil, who played Lord Ram. मुकेश जी की तीखी कमेंट्स पर गजेंद्र चौहान ने दिया कड़वा रिएक्शन एंड referred to मुकेश खन्ना as a flop actor who did not hold a PhD in the Mahabharat. He even suggested that मुकेश जी को शो पे बुलाया नहीं गया था, इसीलिए शायद वो इतना कुछ बोल रहे थे. Commenting on this unfortunate war of words, नितेश भारद्वाज, जिन्होंने श्री कृष्णा का रोल किया था, asked why people were getting so unpleasant when each person is entitled to an opinion. If Mukesh ji had a view on the Kapil Sharma show, it is his view. And if anyone has the right to react, then it should be Kapil and his team. Why is Gajendra talking on Kapil's behalf or defending his show? लेकिन जहां बातों के तीर चल रहे हैं इन महारथियों के बीच, वहीं कपिल ने अपना रिएक्शन देके इस कंट्रोवर्सी को खत्म करने की कोशिश की है. कपिल, whose show is very popular amongst audiences, reacted to Mukesh ji's comments and responded with complete grace and calmness. My team and I are working hard to make people smile during this crucial stage of the pandemic. When the whole world is going through a tough time, it is important to bring a smile on people's faces. It depends on each individual कि आपको किस बात में खुशी ढूंढनी है और किस बात में कमी. I have chosen happiness and prefer to focus on my work and continue to keep doing that in the future, Kapil said. और लोग चाहे जो भी सोचे उनके बारे में या उनके काम के बारे में, Kapil may have the last laugh if reports about how much he is charging for his upcoming web debut is true. According to a recent episode, Krishna Abhishek, who plays various characters on the show, revealed that Kapil is all set to make 20 crores with his online debut, which given his popularity may not be far-fetched. मुकेश जी, चाहे जैसे भी हो, इस शो के जरिए कपिल इतने पॉपुलर हो गए हैं कि अब वो अकेले ही पांचों पांडवों के बराबर हैं. We hope that someday you can forget your differences and come together as two artists just trying to do their very best every day.